Hello everyone, coming up we're going to open and build this LEGO Jurassic Park 30th anniversary set, the Dilophosaurus Ambush. Make sure you stick to the end because we're also going to take a detailed look at this set. So without further ado, let's get started. Here we are, we have finished building the Dilophosaurus Ambush. So this set contains 211 pieces and retail 48 New Zealand dollars. And first we're going to take a look at the Jeep. So we're going to take these away and focus on the Jeep. First take at the exterior and a different color to represent the mud on the Jeep, and also you got the soft top roof here. But the size, if you compare to the other one, is actually in same scale and similar building techniques. Again, you know, the front here is a very interesting building technique, and you can see this one without the cover and this one with the cover. To be honest, I like the one without the cover a bit more because the way they design the cover is using bricks. So it's kind of a bit thicker than you know, this one, which has a better look in my opinion. And of course, you can remove the roof quite easily to fit the minifigure inside. One thing though, I don't think in the movie it's using the soft top version. I have to watch the movie again to remind myself, but in my memories, this part having the same color scheme of the rest of the body rather than having a soft top. Next, we're going to take a look at the location. I think this is the best part of the set because it's actually pretty fun. I like the design of this. You can create the scene of the Dilophosaurus like coming out like this. The other thing is the design here is actually quite loose, so you can adjust the angle or remove it, just like how it the Jeep crashed into it like in the movie, and then you can spin that around so that Dennis went to the wrong direction. The other highlight of this is this Barbasol can. It's actually a printed piece here, and also the top is a unique round tile as well. Also, it's a very smart way to use the frog to recreate the gel coming out. And this is the main reason I bought this set, because I really love this print. Which also brings me the question, if they could do a printed Barbasol piece on that, why not they also print the e-stock sign and also the map here. Next we have the Dilophosaurus. It's using the smaller body with a much more accurate coloring, which I quite like this version, because I had the other version which kind of similar with the raptor size, which is kind of too big. The other interesting thing is they kind of include an extra jaw for this Dilophosaurus, which is quite surprising because usually they don't give you extra pieces for animals. And of course you can adjust the jaw a little bit. Next we have the only minifigure in this set. This is Dennis and Nedry. This is actually a slightly different version compared to the one from the bigger Jurassic World set few years ago, because this one have a much more panic facial expression. The other one kind of have a much more sinister look, although the alternate facial expression is the same with the what's that, the venom spit out by the Dilophosaurus. One other thing I want to mention is the size of the box. It's actually quite interesting because this is a very irregular size box. Well, here is like regular size, but how thick is this? Usually you don't get this size of box, so it could be troublesome for people who likes to keep the boxes, or having an open set and stack onto the shelf is kind of create irregular space for you. And this is the Dilophosaurus Ambush, and this is quite interesting set. There's some very interesting elements, especially the printed Barbasol can and how it depicts the gel coming out. While the Jeep is not bad, but if you have the other set with the Jeep without roof, then that makes this one not as good. Excellent minifigure and a dinosaur though. However, without discount, this is quite an expensive set. Luckily, this stream has been on discount in various stores, so I managed to get this with a 20% off discount. Do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming updates. And I'll see you next time.